Automatic powder bottle filling cap labeling packing machine line. Fully automatic bottle unscrambler. This machine is designed to handle circular packaging containers such as cans or bottles. It can accommodate a large number of cans at a time, automatically sorting into the conveyor belt of the packaging line. Fully automatic 6-head linear bottle clamping and washing machine. This is a new designed linear type bottle washing machine, washing bottle by air. The machines are widely used in the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries to clean small particles inside the bottle. Double head powder auger filling machine is designed for different kinds dry powder filling into cans and bottles. Straight double head filling, main filling and refilling to ensure high precision filling. Servo and pneumatic system control the can hold and horizontal can runs. The positioning is accurate and the speed is fast. The filling head is equipped with a hand wheel to adjust the height. It is easy to realize the filling of different type cans. Single head servo control screw capping machine with automatic lead feeding device, high degree of automation, saving labor costs and improving production efficiency. This machine is a must-have for handling a wide range of cap types and sizes. Fully automatic side labeling machine, intelligent control, automatic photoelectric tracking with no object, no labeling. No standard automatic calibration and automatic label detection.